Every legend leaves a trace. Some linger in memory, others in things that were never meant to fall into human hands. In the Myths Belief Store, you'll find artifacts, talismans, and relics steeped in the darkness of ancient faiths. Enter if you dare to touch what is forgotten and terrifying. Link in the description. Amid the endless Nevada desert, where the night is darker than anywhere else and the wind carries the echo of something we cannot name, lies a place that for decades has stirred unease, fascination, and fear: Area 51. A location so mysterious that for years the US government pretended it didn't exist, and every question about it ended in silence. It is here, according to many, that the truth the world was never meant to know is hidden. A place that has become a symbol of everything concealed and unexplained, and at the same time a spark for countless conspiracy theories that grow stronger every year. Because the less we know, the more we want to know. Area 51 is an ultra-secret military complex concealed beside the dry lake bed of Groom Lake, surrounded by fences, motion sensors, cameras, and armed patrols. A place you cannot approach even from several kilometers away. Because every step toward the perimeter ends with a warning, and sometimes an intervention. From above it looks like an ordinary base, a few hangars, a runway, some warehouses, but many believe this is only a facade. The real secrets are said to lie underground in vast tunnels, laboratories, and chambers accessible only to a select few. Rumors claim that the wreckage of alien craft is stored there, along with the bodies of extraterrestrial beings and even technologies that surpass our civilization by centuries. Some say the underground levels stretch for miles, forming a network of rooms unknown even to high-ranking personnel. For some, it is a center for advanced aviation research. For others, the most heavily guarded vault of cosmic secrets on Earth. A place where science meets something we cannot fully understand. The most famous theory begins in 1947, when an unidentified object supposedly crashed in Roswell, New Mexico. The official explanation claimed it was a weather balloon, but witnesses spoke of metallic fragments, strange symbols, and bodies that did not resemble humans. According to many, these remains were transported directly to Area 51, where they were hidden inside sealed hangars. There is also the legend of the Gray, a humanoid being with a large head and big black eyes, allegedly seen by base employees, though no one has ever provided proof, and anyone who tried to speak too much quickly vanished from the media. Some claim that in the 1960s and 70s autopsies of extraterrestrial beings were conducted there. Others speak of attempts to communicate with alien life. A major influence on these theories came from Bob Lazar, a man who claimed he worked in a secret sector of the base on the propulsion systems of alien craft. Powered by the mysterious element 115, a material said to allow manipulation of gravity. His stories were so detailed that to this day they divide people into those who see him as a whistleblower and those who consider him a fantasist. There are also theories about energy weapons, genetic experiments, teleportation, weather control, and even interdimensional travel, though none of them have ever been confirmed, and the government's silence only fuels further speculation. For many, Area 51 has become a modern myth, a place where the line between science and fiction completely disappears, and every new leak only adds fuel to the fire. Area 51 has become an icon of modern beliefs and conspiracy theories, appearing in films such as Independence Day, where an alien ship is hidden, in the comedy Paul, in Indiana Jones 4, in games from GTA 5 to Fallout New Vegas, in the Area 51 series, and in shows like The X-Files, where it symbolizes government secrets. Online, it lives a life of its own as a source of memes, creepypastas, and recordings of strange lights in the sky, supposedly coming from tests of technologies that shouldn't exist on Earth. Some claim that the strange lights seen above the desert are not aircraft, but objects moving in ways that defy explanation. Area 51 has become a brand in itself, a symbol of everything hidden, forbidden, and unexplained, a place everyone knows, even though no one can enter it, and the more pop culture uses it, the more its legend grows. For years, Area 51 has remained one of the greatest mysteries of the modern world. Some see it as a simple military base, others as the place where the truth about aliens is concealed. The question is whether extraterrestrial technologies really lie inside those hangars, or whether all of this is just the product of human imagination, or perhaps the truth is even stranger than all the theories combined. Some believe that if we ever learn the truth, it would change our civilization forever. Write in the comments what you think is really happening inside Area 51. Do you believe in aliens, in secret experiments, or maybe in both? Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and join us in the next episode, where we once again dive into the world of myths, beliefs, and unexplained mysteries.